With thousands of jobs being created to support the growth of electric vehicles, there has never been a better time to join the automotive industry. The skills and knowledge you'll develop at NHC will provide you with the perfect foundations for a successful career in the UK's automotive industry. Travel the world with a race team as a motorsport technician, repair electric vehicles, or carry out services in local garages. We work with a wide range of businesses to provide jobs and experience for our students. Get a placement in a workshop for a national dealership and get real-world experience in an industry of your choice.